Hey guys, wanted to do a quick review for you guys on the Roav F0 that I just installed in my 2007 Tundra.
Successfully paired.
You will hear that every time you boot up start the car. But what you get is, if you see this, the install is super clean. Aux jack, 6-inch, 90 degrees on both sides. Separate piece. You can find it on Amazon as well. But between the Roav F0 and that, now you have modern Bluetooth 4.2 to your old JBL nav head unit in a Tundra. And then when you go back here, all you have to do, it shows up as Roav F0 and then the last 4 of the MAC address of the Roav. It was dead simple to connect. So you just set that up, and then from there, when you do it, it automatically connects. And all you have to do from here is just stream your audio, and the quality sounds excellent. I know you can't tell that through the speakers, but it works very, very well, very clean. So I hope that helps you guys. Have a good one.